Good evening to everyone. My name is Saranya. I am from Kanigiri. Kanigiri. I am from Kanigiri, Ongole district, AP. I want to share some experience about the meditation in the PMC. My experience in the pyramid meditation is I remove the illness. I am happy with the meditation. In meditation, there are more miracles and experience will happen to everyone. First one is first I want to learn about the meditation. How is the meditation? We want to sit in anapana sati, breathing. We have to observe the inhalation and exhalation. Next, what is the spirituality and science? People say about that. What a science is good and the spirituality is we have to do the older people, not the younger ones. Science is the best one. What is the difference of the science and spirituality? Science is the proved one. First we have to prove the experiments happen to anyone. First animals, the experiments will take on animals, birds. After that we will trust that science is proved, science is good. We have to take the tablets when we are ill. That is like. And what is the spirituality? Spirituality is the truth. First we want to trust that. First science is the first you have to prove and trust one. Spirituality is the first trust. And the next experiments and the experience will happen in our body only, not to anyone. If the experience in your body, you have to tell to all the members. That is the difference between the science and the spirituality. Next, don't want to eat the egg. First egg is in white color. Upper is the egg albino and the inside is the yolk. It is not. People say that it is very good to eat that. It has more proteins. You have to eat the more milk and the egg. That is wrong. Egg is very dangerous. That egg is coming from the hen. That egg is coming from the womb of the embryo of the hen. The egg will sit the hen on the. It takes the sufficient heat and the temperature to become the chick or little hen. It breaks out the egg. The embryo will comes to give the certain asteroids to the hen to growth well and becomes the embryo and came out the egg. We will eat fast the egg. That is not correct way. Don't want to eat the egg. Egg is not our food. Next, vegetation. Why we have to eat vegetarian food only? Why do not we want to eat the non-vegetation? Vegetation is very important. Our food is not non-veg. Don't kill the animals, birds, cattle, buffaloes. It is people say that these are the animals to conserve the food of the human beings. It will give the heat and support proteins to our body. That is the wrong thing. It is vegetation is the very good and the important thing. Non-vegetation we do not want to consume. It is the one of the in the Panchabhutas. What is the Panchabhutas? Sky, air, water, fire. That is all the five things are Panchabhutas. We do not want to defect the Panchabhutas. All the needs are coming from the Panchabhutas only. Without water we cannot live. Without air we can't live. Without sky we won't live. We are living on the earth only itself. That's why we don't want to affect the universe also. Universe means one of the non-veg animals and birds. We do not want to eat them. That Next, my friends are saying that life is very short. Life is something better before marriage and after marriage is something that is the very short thing. You want to say that that is totally wrong. Life is become the before meditation and after the meditation. Before meditation, what is we want to do, what purpose we have to live, what is the needs, and the after the meditation, what is the purpose. Before the meditation, no skills, nothing, discouragement, irritations, all happening before the meditation. After the meditation, developing the skills, drawings, eating food neatly and correctly, and writing the examinations, and it is maunam is more important in studies. In children's, the meditation is most important, one of the most important thing. Why Miss Monam is being not having any thoughts in the mind. You have to talk means you have to think while think their thoughts are coming while studying. Don't think about it. That is the one of the reason we have to in more maunam in meditation. You have to talk little. You have to love each other. You have to talk very neatly and clearly. In one of the Panchabhutas having the deforestation. Deforestation don't kill the animals. Deforestation, that is the Panchabhutas, don't pollute the water. That is the one of the reason. Thank you this opportunity for giving the PMC channel. PMC is the now is the satellite channel. Thank you for the volunteers in the PMC and everybody. They are the no vehicles is coming. They are coming to village and taking our experience to them. That's why thank you for the Patri sir to introduce the meditation, and thank you for the PMC channel. Somebody are seeing the PMC channel only develop their life. Thank you universe. Thank you for everyone for giving. Thank you.